Golf can be a game of millimetres. A putt that's a few millimetres offline so the ball doesn't go in the hole. A club head that's angled a few millimetres off centre that results in the drive hooking into the pond. Or a stance that's a few millimetres too low, which results in the divot flying further than the ball. Millimetres in golf can be the difference between winning and losing a competition. That's one reason that professional golfers will do everything they can to help them in their search for the perfect swing. One thing that many professional golfers do to help them with their game is to see a chiropractor. In fact, about 3/4 of professional golfers receive regular chiropractic care to help them play at their peak potential. Chiropractors may not only help golfers to overcome injuries, they may also help them with their swing. In fact, there was a really interesting research study published in 2009 that showed that chiropractic care helped golfers to hit the ball further, which could make a big difference to a golfer's score at the end of the day. Let me tell you about this study. Researchers in Brazil performed a randomized control trial involving 43 golfers and looked at how far they could hit a ball over a 4-week study period. They put the golfers into one of two groups. One was a control group who just did a basic stretching program over the 4 weeks of the study. The other group did the same stretching program, but they also got adjusted by a chiropractor once a week for 4 weeks. And the researchers looked at how far they could drive the ball before and after getting adjusted over the 4 weeks. The researchers collected a lot of data, which in general showed that the chiropractic group performed better than the control group throughout the study. But the most significant finding from the study was that at the last study session, the group that got adjusted could hit the ball 8 meters further after the adjustments, whereas the control group only improved by 0.5 meter after the stretching sessions. This study suggests that chiropractic care, in association with muscle stretching, seems to improve the ability of golfers to drive the ball when compared to muscle stretching alone. Although this was only a small study, it was a really interesting finding and may mean that chiropractic care really can help golfers to improve their game. So if you want to get the most out of your golf game, take after the pros and see a chiropractor, because it may help you with those millimeters that can make the difference between a perfect drive and fishing your ball out of a pond.